Yeah. Hey there, Kaz here, and today I'm here to do an unboxing of Wootbox. Wootbox is a monthly subscription box. It comes in at £25 a month. There is a theme. This month's theme, June's theme, is classics. In here you'll find items from Marvel, Harry Potter, Toy Story and Zelda. So we're just going to get right in here and see what we have. I've been with these guys for a while now, and I quite like it. You know, I've got some really good stuff from them, and basically I always get happy whenever I get them. So this is the booklet. There's the classics box. So we're just going to dive on in here and see what we have. First one we have is, I'm guessing this is to do with Zelda. I don't really play Zelda, but I do know what Zelda is, but I don't play it. Oh, that's interesting. I'm guessing that's something to do with the game. It's an interesting little item. We'll save the t-shirt till last. We have a Q-Fig. I'm guessing this is the Marvel item. And it's a Q-Fig of Spider-Man. Don't know if you can see that. Oh, okay. I have it upside down. I have a black and white version of this item. So now I have the colour version. It's kind of cool. Spidey upside down, hanging from a lamppost, taking a picture. And that's cool. I'm happy with that. What else do we have? Harry Potter. Oh, we have a wand pen. That's pretty cool. It's a wand from Harry Potter, but it's also a pen. That's really nice. That's really cool. I like that. I don't really know whose wand that is, whether it's Harry Potter's or whether it's somebody else's. I'm not too sure. Sorry. I am a Harry Potter fan, but... Okay, and this is the last item. We normally get a pin. Oh, yeah. I couldn't see the pin because it was against the side. Ah. This looks like it could be from Monty Python. It's the Holy Hand Grenade. Monty Python is a very old TV show that was absolutely hilarious. And they had like a holy hand grenade in one of the sketches. So there we are with that. And the last item is a t-shirt. So I'm guessing this is a Toy Story item because we haven't had a Toy Story item. So I'm just going to get right into it and see what it is. I kind of like Toy Story. There's a few characters I like in Toy Story. I'm hoping this is one of them. Oh, it is. Oh. Oh, I love it. These are one of my favourite characters from the film. These are the little green aliens. They're in the claw machine in Pizza Planet. As you can see, it says on the t-shirt, it says, "Little green man, the claw has chosen." I will definitely be wearing that because I love those little dudes so much. I'm very, very happy with that. Quite a nice one. There's the Q-Fig, I have it in black and white, but I'll still display that one as well because I've got two different ones. Anyway, that's the end of the video. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button, slap that like button, and I'll see you again next time. Bye bye.